All right, so now we need to make the same thing to here, right? We need to list down all the categories here in this store page. So let's just go to this store page. So here it is, the store.html. So in here we have is this the one we are looking for? Yes. So this is the one. So what we will do is we will just remove all of the list items and we'll keep only one, this one we need. So let's make a for loop for category in links. Since we did as I said before, we have access to the links in all the templates, okay, because this is the context processor. So we don't need to do any extra effort for making this available inside the store, store page. So it is available by default here. And for okay, for category in links, we'll remove this people and let's say category name. Okay, and here also what we need is category get URL function, so that it will bring all the URLs. Let me refresh. All right, all the categories are working. And okay, so when I click on these jackets and shoes and all those stuff, it is working perfectly. And one more thing I want to do about these shirts, I just want to make a link with the all products. Okay, so let me go to here in the URL, the UL itself, copy this li and paste it here. This one should be store, okay, because this store will bring all the products, right? URL space store, and here it will be all products. Okay, so let me refresh. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is not this should be template tag, okay, percentage, and here also this is percentage. Now let me refresh. Okay, so all products. Okay, so all products is working. All right, and here also same thing. Let's do that quickly. In the new bar here, let me copy this a tag and put it here. In here we will say percentage URL and store, and here all products. Okay, so all products now, and remaining are the categories. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.